Explore the charm and potential of this 1.5 story home at 30454 Spanish Lane in Spanish Fort, Alabama. Nestled on 1.6 acres, this property features 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, ideal for a growing family or those seeking extra space. The pine paneling and large wood-burning fireplace with a gas starter add a cozy ambiance to the living areas, while the kitchen shines with natural light, wood cabinetry, and tiled flooring. Recently, a new roof installed in 2024 offers longevity and peace of mind for the new owners. The double garage includes a workshop area and an additional single-car garage, both with washer and dryer hookups. Plus, there's covered carport storage for an RV or boat. And this home, built originally in 1965 with an upstairs addition in 1975, offers a canvas for your visions, sold as is. Buyer to verify all information. Reach out to Tracey Goens at 251-533-6832 for a showing.